In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule meetings in Microsoft Teams. Let's get started right from the Teams interface. Once you've opened Microsoft Teams and you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with icons like Activity, Chat, and Teams. Among those, there's an option labeled Calendar. Go ahead and click on Calendar. This is where all your upcoming and past meetings are organized, and it works very much like a traditional calendar app. You can switch between day, work week, and week views to get a better sense of your schedule. With the calendar open, we're ready to create a new meeting. At the top right corner of the calendar view, you'll see a button that says New Meeting. Click on New Meeting. This opens up a form where you can set up every detail of your meeting. If you prefer, you can also click directly on a time slot in the calendar and then choose to create a new meeting from there. But using the New Meeting button is the most straightforward way. Now, let's fill in the meeting details. First, give your meeting a clear and descriptive title so everyone knows what it's about at a glance. For example, instead of just meeting, you might call it Weekly Project Update or Client Onboarding Call. Next, add the required attendees by typing their names or email addresses into the invite field. Teams will suggest contacts as you type, and you can select the right people from the list. After that, choose the date and time for your meeting. Make sure to double-check time zones if you're meeting with people in different locations. You can also adjust the duration by changing the start and end times. If this is a recurring meeting, look for the recurrence options and set it to repeat daily, weekly, or on custom days as needed. You can also add a location if some people will meet in a physical room, or simply leave it as an online meeting if everyone will join via Teams. In the large text box, you can type an agenda or any notes participants should review before the meeting. This helps keep everyone aligned and prepared. Once all the details look good, go to the top or bottom of the window and click on Save. In some versions, this might appear as Send, which will send the invites out and place the meeting on everyone's calendar. After saving, your meeting will appear on your team's calendar and attendees will receive an invitation with a link to join when it's time.